Hello everybody, welcome to another Simply Show, and today I'm going to show you how to center images in CSS using two methods. The way, as you can see on the screen right now, this will be the result on how to center our two images in two different methods or ways. If you want to get the whole code of this tutorial, HTML, the CSS and the images and all the files, it is free, and you can simply click on the link below and get it for free. As we can see over here, this is the HTML code and the preview of the first image which we are going to center. And also this is the HTML code and the preview of the second image which we are going to center. This is the part where we are going to add the CSS code to center the first image. And this is the part where we are going to add the CSS code to center the second image, as you can see on the preview. Remember, you can always get the full code of this page layout for free by clicking the link in the description. Alright, so the first method is super simple. We use the text align property on the parent or containing element of the picture. And just like that, the image is centered. This has a disadvantage since it also affects other elements and they are also centered. The second method is preferable. So over here we will only select the image, and center it. This will not affect other elements. So the first thing is to turn the image display into a block level element by using the display block property. After this, we will use the margin 0 pixels auto to center the image. So finally, we can see the image is centered and other elements are not affected at all. I'll recommend this method or this second way if you only want to center the image and not affect other elements. So those are the two methods of centering an image, and you can easily get the full code in the description below by clicking the link. So thank you everybody, and see you next time for another Simply Show. Bye bye.